I give him the benefit of the doubt.
Wow.
I can't laugh in this world. I'm crying. He's somewhere crying.
I think we can get going.
All right.
Long here.
Get Kenneth out on probation.
You want this one? Sure.
Good morning, Honors.
Good morning, Ms. Williams Law.
Oh, let me send her a calendar. I'm about to send you a calendar, Miss Williams.
Good morning, Ms. Mathis. Thank you. Good morning, officer.
Good morning.
State of Michigan 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins presiding. While court is in session, there will be no smoking, eating, drinking, sleeping, and or laying down. I will ask that if you have on any hats or hoodies that you please remove them while on Zoom unless for religious purposes. Thank you. Good morning, Judge. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Let's start out. City of Detroit versus Larry Gavin Jr., case number U62950622. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner, P 22994, representing defendant. Your name, sir?
Larry Gavin.
All right, today is the date and time set for show cause. Go ahead, counsel.
Your Honor, client waives formal reading, stands mute.
In a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. See this ticket. These tickets are pretty disturbing here. The allegation is your client is brandishing a firearm at someone.
Yes.
Judge Perkins Courtroom, Mr. Myron. The judge is on the bench. Or you just can't zoom in. Okay, so. What's your- And what can you do for? All right, Judge, I have a Shayla Oldham on the phone. She has to be at work at 12:30 and she's scheduled for 1:30. Can she zone in?
Yeah.
Just, you know what I mean, then I didn't know.
All right, I want you to read the allegations in this complaint, counselor. I'm gonna get them to send these allegations to you.
Okay.
This is for purposes of bond. I'm gonna get a Here you go, Mr. Send that file to Mr. Faulkner, please. I'm gonna pass the matter.
Want me to
Let
send
you,
everything? You want me to send a ticket or just every?
send the ticket and the police report.
What was it that I did?
There you go.
Okay.
Good morning, Mr. Soroki.
Morning, Your Honor.
Morning, Pauline.
Hi, Paul. How are you?
Doing well, thank you.
All right, let's pass that matter. Let's move on. This is the city of Detroit versus Christopher Maurice Leak. Case numbers SP 1404494, counts 1, 2, and 3, and SP 144, strike that, SP 1445068, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, behalf of Mr. Lee.
Mr. Lee, can you state your name, please?
Christopher Leak, Christopher Maurice Leak.
Today is the day, and I believe it's going to be arraignment on the charges because I'm on the docket.
I think it's under 835, Your Honor.
It's got two. All right, one is a show cause, so that 7/31/2023 show cause will arraign them now and consolidate all the matters. Go ahead, counsel, for purposes of arraignment on that matter.
Okay, so,
Ms. Soroka,
yes, I'm sorry.
that's for purposes of arraignment on one matter in July.
I'm sorry.
Go ahead, that's for purposes of arraignment on the one matter, July matter.
We're waiving the formal reading of the information and standing mute, Your Honor.
Whether or not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Lee, do you have a valid license, registration, and insurance?
No, I tried to get the insurance, but they wouldn't let me get it because my license suspended, and they said I had to pay them tickets up.
This, I'll allow him to pay this reinstatement fee up front of $45. Pay reinstatement fee up front. There's no insurance ticket. We'll set you another date up for August the 15th. Pay that as soon as possible. Wait 48 to 72 hours. See if you can get a valid driver's license after that. All right. When can you
Okay.
pay the 45?
Okay. As soon as possible. So, is anyhow can y'all send me a letter to me if I can send it to the Secretary of State? So them proof
No,
that
you're gonna have to go. You're gonna have to come down to the courthouse, right? And you're gonna have to pay that $45 at the window. I'll give you the case. I'll give you the case number if you have a pen.
1 second, sir. 1 second, sir.
Mr. Gonzalez Soto, Carlos Gonzalez Soto.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Warbling.
She was checking in for Mr. Sierra Barragas, who was actually scheduled for yesterday.
What about your client yesterday? I didn't.
Yeah, that was the same gentleman.
All right. Mr. Leak, are you ready for the case number?
Yes.
All right. SP 14044-942. That's SP 14044-942. You pay that $45 reinstatement fee up front. You wait 48 to 72 hours, and then you go to the Secretary of State, see if you can get a license. Come back August 15, 2023. Hopefully you have a valid license, registration, and insurance, all right?
Okay, you said August the 15th, what time, sir?
8:30.
8:30. Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further. Have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Thank you so much.
All right, what's the client's name, Mr. Worland?
Judges Gustavo Sierra hyphenate Banegas. I had put it in a chat, Judge, if it was easier with the case number.
Yeah, but we don't have an interpreter today.
Okay, Miss Lopez was here, but if it was just a new date, that's fine.
Here.
Yeah.
I'm still here.
This is your retained client?
Actually, no, I was just helping her out. So if
what's the case number?
Judge, it's SP 145-16081. They had just called me yesterday, worried that they were going to miss the court date, so I just wanted to make sure they were in the right place. And then there was a civil infraction as well with it, Judge, but
Well, you're signed up as the lawyer.
oh, okay. I did try to file an appearance yesterday on the civil infraction. Was there any way we could just get a new date, Your Honor?
When, next Wednesday, I guess. Let me see. Gustavo. Sierra Venegas. Is that the client? That's your client's name?
Yes.
Yes.
Coming up with a bunch of different birthdays. City of Detroit versus Gustavo Adolfo Sierra Venegas. Case numbers 217-32552, counts 1 and counts 2, and SP 145-16081, SP 145-17521. Appearance for the record, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Ben Werbling, P648889 on behalf of the defendant. Sir, could you state your name, please?
Gustavo Adolfo Sierra Vanegas.
Today is the date and time set for, let's call it arraignment on the warrants. Counselor, go ahead.
Judge, we ask any warrants be recalled. He'll stand mute and wait formal reading at this time.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond, and we will go ahead and give him a pre-trial of July the 5th, 2023 at 8:30.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, if nothing further. Have a very good day. Best of luck.
Same, thanks for your
Thank you,
courtesy.
Your Honor. Will they have an interpreter for him?
Certainly.
Thank you. You have a blessed holiday.
Thank you.
You too. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. This is the City of Detroit versus Zoe Armani Little, case number SB 1442209, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant, Your Honor. Your name, sir?
Ms. Little, can you turn your camera on now and state your name for the record, please?
Zoe Armani Little.
All right, today is the time set for a arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counsel.
Your Honor, waive the reading, stand mute.
I am a not guilty plea in client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Little, you have an option of paying this $240. We'll dismiss the case. This is an allowing counselor and a no insurance misdemeanor. Plead to the allowing straight up. Pay $240. We'll dismiss the case upon payment, and we'll dismiss the other case now. Or you can set a trial date, ma'am. The offer will remain open on the date of trial. This is a you can see if you can do better at trial. All right. What would you like to do? I can let you speak to Mr. Faulkner in the breakout room if you choose to.
I just paid the $240.
You don't want to talk to the lawyer first, ma'am?
No, I'm fine with just paying the ticket off.
All right, very well. Go into the breakout room and talk to the lawyer anyway, so he can reach your advice or rights.
Okay.
All right. Join the room, please. On the iPhone there, who's that on the iPhone? The gentleman with the twist in his head.
Robert Griffin.
Robert
Griffin. Yeah.
That's with an I or an E at the end.
With an I.
Adrian Dion Gould.
Yes, sir.
Set for a trial today. We're going to give the officer a half-hour grace period to appear. If the officer does appear, I'll put you in a breakout room with one of the defense counsels, and they can work out an offer for you.
Okay.
First here is your lawyer. So let's pass the matter until we'll call the matter and see if the parties show up.
Okay.
Ticia Christine Gaffney.
Yes.
Good morning to you, ma'am. City of
Good morning.
Detroit. Can you turn your camera on, please?
It's on.
Very well. The person on the iPhone that's got your hand raised, what's your name, please?
James Lackey.
James Lackey.
Yes, Lackey.
Good morning to you.
Good morning. The reason why I have my hand raised, can I talk real quick?
Not really. I'll give you an opportunity to speak.
Okay.
When we call your name.
I'm kind of like at work, and they got a big project for me.
All right, we'll get you. Let's see.
You needed probation for.
I didn't hear you.
You needed probation for.
Gonzalez. James Willie Lackey.
Yes.
City of Detroit versus James Willie Lackey. Case numbers SP 135-20621, SP 135-20671. 207-238-421, 217-329-591. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of James Lackey.
Mr. Lackey, state your name for the record, please.
James Willie Lackey.
All right, do you have a valid license, sir?
No, they're suspended right now.
Are you trying to get a license, sir?
Yes.
All right, what's stopping you from getting a license?
I have I've been knocking it down like throughout the years. I had a lot of tickets. I probably don't have that many now, so I'm just been paying it off every chance I get.
Setting aside the default in SP 135-20621, Counselor.
I would ask the court to set this matter for a pretrial date.
As far as arraignment on the warrant for the 2021 case, go ahead.
Waive the formal reading, stand mute, and ask the court to set it aside.
All right, we'll set the warrant aside when they're not guilty on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. I don't see anything in here that should be preventing Mr. Lackey from getting a driver's license. Hopefully, he can come back on August the 15th, 2023 at 8:30 with a valid license. I don't know what kind of tickets he has in other jurisdictions, but he doesn't have anything here that seems to be preventing him from getting a license. Come back on August 15th, 2023, Mr. Lackey, all right?
Is this going to be the same call-in number as far as like the Zoom?
Yes.
Oh, August, say that one more time. August
23, August 15th, 2023 at 8:30.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Very good day. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Warbling, Ben had a Larry Lloyd on his thing too. I don't know why you have that on there. Right? This is the city of Detroit versus Leticia Christine Gaffney case numbers, and the state of Michigan versus Leticia Christine Gaffney case numbers SP 101-8602 counts 1 and counts 2 and SX 237-28571. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Funk, the representative defendant. Your name, ma'am?
Letitia Gaffney.
All right, I don't see her on the docket at all. I do top
Yeah.
page.
Yes.
Raymond, Counselor.
Your Honor, client lays formal reading, stands mute.
Your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Gaffney, why don't you have a valid? Do you have a valid license?
Yes, I do.
Run Ms. Gaffney's license for me, please. What about valid insurance, ma'am?
Yes, I do.
All right, let's see the insurance, please.
Okay, 1 second, I have to grab it.
All right. Did you get the information for Mr. Mr. Gavin, Mr. Falk?
I'm sorry, Your Honor, what was the question?
Did you get the information for Mr. Gavin?
You just emailed me?
That Madam Mathis should have emailed a while ago. All right, I have a valid license for your client. Let me see some valid insurance, please.
Good morning, Judge.
Mr. Rucker. You all right?
I'm fine, thank you. How you doing? Oh, y'all in session.
We get it in early here, Mr. Rucker.
Okay.
We're gonna go talk to Ms. Snyder. Alexi, yes, she mentioned that you guys didn't have a jury trial today.
Correct. She called me last time.
Very well, yeah. All right, let's pass that matter.
Okay, I have it.
Oh, you have it? Let's go back on the record with Miss Gavin. Got the turn. All right, let's see what you have, ma'am.
Hold on.
So it's kind of dark in there. All right, let me see if you can hold it still and slide it over to your left. Very well, I'm gonna dismiss the matters for providing valid documentation.
Hey, just
I am going to waive the warrant fees, but you're still gonna have to pay the reinstatement fees. You're gonna owe the court $35, $345 reinstatement fees, man.
Okay.
You pay those at any DivDac kiosk in the city of Detroit, or you come down to the courthouse and pay it. I'm told you can pay those. I'm told you can upload that DivDac app on your phone. You can also pay it online, I'm sure, but it goes quicker the other two ways. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, all right?
Thank you. You too.
All right. All right, can I get that over the phone, please? All right, let's go. What's happening with Miss Little? Mr. Faulkner?
I'm looking here, I'm not sure.
Supposed to, she wants to take the deal.
Oh, okay.
She's flush with cash, and she wants to give her money up right now and close the matter out. Where's Miss Little?
I'm
Not
right here.
still being, okay.
All right,
there she
did
is.
you read her advice or rights?
I went through her rights with her, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Miss Little. Miss Little, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down, ma'am. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Did Mr. Faulkner went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, he did.
You understood those rights?
Yeah.
Any questions of those rights?
No.
And you know you're gonna be giving up those rights when you take this deal?
Yeah.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, let me draw your attention back to March the 16th, 2023, around 12:01 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Hubble and Chalfont. Did you have an occasion on that day? Did you own a 2017 Chrysler, ma'am?
Yes.
And did you allow somebody to drive that 2017 Chrysler?
Yes.
And you allowed that person to drive knowing that person didn't have a valid driver's license?
Yes.
All right, that pretty much does it. I'm satisfied. You satisfied, counsel?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna find your client responsible as charged to the allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, and I'm gonna dismiss the other matter with stipulation of probable cause.
Don't stipulate.
Mrs. Little, when can you pay this $240?
I want to do it by like next Thursday, if that's possible.
That's possible. I'll give you till next Friday, all right?
Okay.
Make sure it's paid. Come back in on July the 7th in the morning at 8:25. Be the first one here. If it's paid, I'll get you out immediately and we'll dismiss the case, all right?
Okay, you said July 7th at 8:25.
825 headed and he did that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that app to your phone. Or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it. Those are the two best ways I know how to tell you how to pay that, man. If there's nothing further, you have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Okay, thank you. You too.
All right. What is the offer? Good morning to you. What is the offer on brandishing a fire?
Do we have any facts about it?
Yes, it's pretty close.
Because one issue we keep running into is they do need. You know, like it requires someone.
Yeah. All right, what about minor?
Those are on state.
Okay. All right. Ms. Odom, are you there? Ms. Odom there?
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Ms. Odom. Let's see who we're looking at talking to.
I'm doing like a 12-month consent.
Can you see me?
Yeah, good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
The city of Detroit, strike that, state of Michigan versus Shaylin Odom. Did I get the correct pronunciation right now?
Yes.
Case number SP 1458694, count 1. Appearance for the record, please.
Pauline Stroke, on behalf of Ms. Odom, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Odom, state your name for the record, please.
Shaylin Odom.
Silent Odom.
Shaylin Odom.
Shaylin?
Yes.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for she's supposed to be here at 1:30. So she had to work, right? Correct. So she's on the 1:30 docket. So we allowed her to come on in because she's got to go to work. All right. Let's purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Waive the formal reading and stand mute, Your Honor.
Get her not guilty plea on her behalf. Give her a $0 bond. I don't know what the state offers on this.
I think a first offense is like a civil infraction with a $100 fine.
Can I speak, please?
No, speak to the lawyer, ma'am. All right,
okay.
Put you in a breakout room with Ms. Soroki, all right?
Thank you.
Okay.
All right, join the rooms, please. All right, what's gonna go on with this case?
Don't sit your ass down.
It's the city of Detroit. Let's wait. It's the city of Detroit. If they can stand over here by the microphone, please.
Stay right here.
Versus John Misha, Shanae Gardner, case number SP 139616, counts 1 and counts 3. SP 1389680, counts 1 and counts 2. And SP 1391181. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alexis Schneider for the people, P80322.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tyrone Ruck on behalf of Ms. Jamisha Garner, standing to my left. State your name, Ms. Garner.
Jamisha Garner.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. Today is the date and time set for a trial in the matter. Come to a resolution, right?
Yes, Your Honor. At this time, the people are moving to dismiss all of the matters without prejudice. I did inform Attorney Rucker and the courtroom yesterday afternoon that would be happening this morning.
No objections, I know.
No objections, Your Honor, and I did inform my client, she does have a defaulted ticket that was a part of this for $155. I checked the ROA. She is gonna make arrangements to take care of
I
that.
called that ticket in the, they'll usually set those to side, let's see.
Oh, really? Because when I checked it, it was showed it defaulted, so.
No, do you have any objection? Usually if the matter is,
Okay.
I have no objection, Your Honor.
There's no objection, so that'll be dismissed as well.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
I'll just put a nollie cross on there. All right.
All right, thanks.
Just for the record, I don't believe these matters will be reissued. If they are, I'll reach for the record.
Okay, and I did explain that to my client.
Very well. You're all right, Ms. Garner? Everything's gonna be dismissed.
Thank you.
All right. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
All right. That's Louis Lou.
Oh, okay, thank you.
All right. Let's, all right, Mr. Faulkner, did you get a chance to read that? Did you ever get the stuff from
Oh,
Mr. Gatt?
You know, let me check again, Your Honor.
Let's call, Angelita Cecilia Gonzalez. Angelita Cecilia Gonzalez. Thank you, ma'am. City of Detroit versus Angelita Cecilia Gonzalez, case number Z808-6701. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning.
Good morning. You can put your, good morning, Ms. Officer Lurst. Can you put your appearance on, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning, Your Honor. Dawn Lurst on behalf of probation.
All right. Mr. Faulkner, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant, Your Honor.
All right. Well, why are we back so soon?
Your Honor, from my understanding, she's set for a final pretrial today. You did order her to do weekly drug test or alcohol testing. She has completed one test and she is scheduled to test again today.
Very. I do have record of those tests. Now, my question to you, Ms. Gonzalez, did you ever get contact with the attorney?
So I talked to the attorney sometime this week, and then I texted him this morning to see if he was going to be. His name is Harry Bothman, I believe.
Let's contact Harry Bothman. We'll pass the matter. All right. All right, Ms. Lurst, Officer Lurst, I appreciate your being here. I don't think we need you any longer. It seems like Ms. Gonzalez is following the orders of the court, and then that's certainly expected but appreciated. All right, because it doesn't always happen.
Understood. Thank you, Your Honor. Ms. Gonzalez, make sure that you go and test today, okay?
Yes, absolutely. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day, Your Honor.
Thank you. Have a better one. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right,
Bye-bye.
let's pass that matter. Let's get Mr. Bothman here. Ms. Simmons.
Yes, I'm up to take some.
Very well. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Odom. Ms. Odom, did you get your question answered that you wanted to, everything off your chest?
Yes.
What do you want to do with this ticket? I say just set a trial date. You indicated to the court that it becomes a civil infraction on the first offense.
It's correct, Your Honor. I have the statute right in front of me. Fines up to $100.
All right, so what about it's not written as a civil infraction now, correct?
No, I don't believe it is. They always seem to come in as misdemeanors, but under the statute, they're civil. So I don't know that the court can make that conversion.
Let me see if it's written right.
It doesn't say like in a motor vehicle, does it?
No. It doesn't appear that this is, here's Mr. Ball. It doesn't appear that this is written right.
Listen, they, oh my God, this is irritating.
Do you have some kind of problem, ma'am?
Who, me?
Yes.
Yes, I do have a problem.
What is wrong? What do you want to speak to Ms. Soroki back in the breakout room? What?
No, I know. I just want to get this over with. I'm not gonna irritate.
Ms. Soroki?
Your Honor, she wants to address the facts of the case, and I let her know it wasn't appropriate today, that she'd have the opportunity to do that on the hearing date, that the court couldn't hear one side and not hear the other side at the same time. So we are asking the court to set the next court date.
We're gonna just set it up for a trial date.
Thank you.
She can talk all she wants to. All right. Come back on September 15th, 2023 at 9 a.m. Okay, Ms. Odom?
Okay.
You can say whatever you want to say on that date, all right? When the other party is here.
I have a question before I leave out of here again.
Mm-hmm.
So like, is this like something that's stopping my license or something? Like I can't drive?
No, I don't see that. I don't think there's a minor in possession doing it. It's just an allegation right now.
Well, I don't know. I never had a ticket. I'm just asking. I'm just making sure. And then do I have 2 court dates or just one? Because they wrote me 2 tickets that day. But I don't know. Like, do I have 2 court dates or something? Because I do not want to have a warrant for my arrest.
What was the other ticket for?
I don't even know. Because listen, when they wrote my ticket.
Calm down. Okay, let's calm down.
All right.
The judge is checking, see if you have anything else coming up.
I only see one ticket here, and in the file, I only see one ticket. And so if they did write you 2 tickets, the other one didn't make it to the file, or it was for something other than what a misdemeanor. I don't know. So I only see one ticket here, Miss Odom. All right.
All right.
If you have another court date, you might be charged with a misdemeanor or a higher charge that's not in this courtroom. So you might want to check in on that date. If it doesn't have this case number on it.
I didn't even know I had court until I had got our mail had came late. And then I was like, oh, I got court. So that's why I hurried up and called up here. I didn't even know.
But it's nothing. It's nothing in the system now. That doesn't mean that it's not something forthcoming. But the system now is this is the only ticket that we have. We'll deal with this allegation on 9/15, September 15th. That way we'll have the officer here and the state prosecutor will be here. And that way you'll have a time to speak with one of the defense counsels again about the situation. And then if we have to, we'll have a hearing to determine, you have a right to a jury trial too in this matter. But let's just set this matter, and she hasn't waived that right. Let's just set this matter for a bench trial to see if we can get some resolution. All right?
Thank you.
Okay.
All right, Ms. Odom. There's nothing further. I would advise you when you come in here next time, wait to hold your comments and your conversations about the matter until I put you in a breakout room with the lawyer, all right?
Okay, thank you.
Have a great day, ma'am.
You too.
Okay, let's go back on the record. Good morning, Mr. Baughman. Let's go back on the record with Angelita Cecilia Gonzalez. Mr. Baughman, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
May it please the court, Harry Baughman, P55052, on behalf of the defendant, Ms. Gonzalez. Please state your full name for the record.
Angelita Cecilia Gonzalez.
Thank you, Your Honor. Good morning. Our pleasure this morning would be to please set these matters for a trial date, a waiver trial date by Zoom because of the nature of the charges. The defendant is in compliance. She's tested. Today will be our second test this week, Your Honor. I don't think there's any incident to report. I'm sure you're going to get the probation department in on this.
We already did get the probation. She's tested twice. She's been negative. She's supposed to test today.
Nice. So we just need a trial date, please, and thank you. And I anticipate, I might have a motion, but I haven't seen any discovery. I was appointed on Friday.
Oh, very well. That's why we set this date, I remember now, because we want to make sure that she did get appointed and get in touch with counsel. So, all right, you're in good hands, Ms. Gonzalez. Trial date's going to be September 15th, 2023 at 9 a.m. All right?
Perfect. Thank you.
I'll be in touch, Ms. Gonzalez.
Okay.
Thank you.
Awesome.
Have a great day.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
All right, Devontae Griffin.
Yes.
City of Detroit versus Devontae Jalen Griffin and the state of Michigan. Versus Devontae Jalen Griffin. Case number SX324-51801, U59579421. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant.
Judge, I requested this file.
Okay, you did. Today is the date and time set for an arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
Waive the formal reading, stand mute, Your Honor.
In our not guilty plea in your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. I have disorderly conduct that I don't have a ticket for. I can so I don't have any facts or circumstances to even review to make an accurate factual basis. This would be a disorderly conduct dismiss. I don't even know if we'll dismiss it upon payment. I'm pretty sure it is. But if we want to, we can set a trial date. If you don't find that the original ticket, then we'll dismiss the case. If not, if Mr. Griffin wants to proceed and he wants to contest the matter, we'll have a trial. It's going to be a $240 fine. I do know that. Let me put you in a breakout room with Mr. Faulkner. You let us know what you want to do, Mr. Griffin, all right?
Right.
Join the room, please.
What's the actual charge?
It's disorderly conduct, but I don't have any facts, circumstances, just what the nature of the allegation, other than just being disorderly.
Okay.
So I have a ticket in front of me to read any of the allegations. All right.
Yes, sir. Should we go to a breakout room?
We'll breakout room and speak to him. He can set a trial date, or he can take the deal disorderly conduct. We'll dismiss upon payment.
Okay.
All right. All right. Is Robert Griffin there?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm there.
All right. What's your middle name? Delanzo?
Yep.
City of Detroit versus Robert Delanzo Griffin, case number SD134-72441. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Robert Griffin.
Griffin, state your name for the record, please.
Robert Delonzo Griffin.
Your Honor, at this time, we're standing mute to the charges and entering the plea of not guilty.
will enter a not guilty plea in your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. And we will, let's see what the allegations suggest. Yeah, these discharging firearms. I'm gonna adjust my thinking on bond on these cases because they're too often, and it's what's the offer for a discharging firearm? That's going to be a 12-month delay, plead as charged, $240 fine, and you're going to take a gun safety course, sir. I'm going to let you speak to Ms. Soroki in a breakout room. Join the room, please. Mr. Faulkner, Mr. Griffin is waiting on you in the breakout room.
Room 2?
Yes. Laster, yours is we're gonna give the officer a half-hour grace period. That officer has about 9 more minutes to show.
Okay.
They don't call the case. If they do show, we will get you in a breakout room and get you an offer.
Okay.
Lewis, I have Officer Hudson here. I have Officer Kirsten here. I'm gonna put Miss Schneider in the breakout room. And I have both officers here on your cases. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Griffin. Is he back out of the room? Let's go back on the record with Mr. Griffin. Mr. Griffin, I'm gonna put a $500 personal bond on this. You know, this is a country that's just obsessed with guns, and that's okay. You can be obsessed with whatever you want to, but when the allegations are you're discharging firearms in city limits, then that's just that's going too far. What does your client want to do?
Your Honor, at this time, he's entering a plea of not guilty and he's requesting a bench trial date.
All right. That what you want to do, Mr. Griffin?
Yes, sir.
Set a trial date for September 15th, 2022 at 9 a.m. All right. All right, I'll see you back on September 15th, sir, 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Good luck to you.
All right, thank you.
All right. All right, Officer Campbell just showed up. Good morning to you for Laster. He's next up. Let's go. Mr. Faulkner still spoke with Mr. Faulkner spoke with Mr. Gavin, so I'm gonna Wait on him to come back.
I haven't spoke to him, sir. Not yet.
You have
No, I
here,
haven't.
breakout room with Ms. Soroki. I wanted you to read the allegations, Ms. Soroki. Send that to Ms. Soroki, and you can just forward it down, right?
Huh?
You can send us the same thing you sent to Mr. Park.
Oh, okay, I sent it to her.
Send it to her. Join the breakout room. The allegation is brandishing a firearm. The offer is going to be pleading 12-month delay, $240 fine. I'm gonna also put a $500 personal bond on this case, and take an anger management course. That's the offer. Speak to Ms. Soroki in a breakout room, please.
For sure.
Is this Soroki Law at Gmail?
She's in there already.
Yeah.
How is Google set for trial?
The one for August the 21st.
Oh, Google, are you here?
Yes, Google.
See, you're set for trial for August the 21st. Why are you here?
Because I don't know, for some reason you told me, Your Honor, to come back 6/29 at 8 p.m. And you put me in the breakout room with somebody. We offered to go to trial. Told me to come back 6/29 at 8 a.m. Remember what you told me to come back for that for, but you did set the court date for 8/21 at 9 a.m.
It's just no proof of insurance and disregarding the red signal.
No, I didn't disregard that signal. No proof of insurance.
Yeah, that's why you want a trial, a formal hearing. So
yeah,
you got to come back to meet the tuck, file the appearance. You got to come back on
8/21.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, that's not a problem.
All right. Have a great day, sir.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
You too.
All right.
I don't know the cases.
All right. It's last.
So anybody at 8:30,
Last.
like he's cases. Maybe they can return. See what I'm saying? According to the court. Yeah, you can go ahead, just go ahead and take this. Anyway, from 8:30, you can just take this. Okay. Oh, excuse me. What about the trial dates? Anybody come for trials? They didn't come for trial. Unless the judge indicates.
All right, we have an issue here.
Yeah, put those on sheets in there.
Let's go ahead and put it on the record.
That's perfect.
City of Detroit versus Darren Bernard Laster. Case numbers SP 1441087, count 1, 2, and 3. Let's also call as 0805876901. And SP 1223204, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
I'll come to represent the defendant.
Mr. Laster, can you state your name for the record, please?
Darren Bernard Laster.
For the record, today is the date and time set for a trial. We did have Officer Campbell show up. I believe I'm gonna mark him as a peer.
These are former hearings.
No, this the first ones are trials. So once trial ends, So SP 1441087 counts 1, 2, and 3 are going to be dismissals for no recollection. The city attorney has spoken to the officer and he doesn't recall, so we're going to dismiss those tickets. Now, 8005, these tickets were never called or set for some reason. Maybe because I wasn't here in the, one ticket is going to Judge Bryant. And the other tickets, that 08, you need to get an ink pen, sir.
Okay, can I step out for a bit and get an ink pen?
Certainly.
You said I can?
Yes.
Okay, hold on.
And Your Honor, I'm still waiting on that email with the allegations on that ticket.
Okay.
Okay, all right, I'm gonna go back in the breakout room.
I'm back, Your Honor.
All right, write this case number down.
Okay.
This goes back to 06. 08 05 87 6901.
Okay.
That case number, you're going to have to go to Judge Bryant's court.
You have a last name?
Bryant, B-R-Y-A-N-T. She's listed as the judge of record. The phone number over there is 313-965-2295. And the Zoom ID is 360-339-0000. I would give them a call first and find out how they want you to address that matter.
Okay.
All right, ask for SP 122-3204.
Can you repeat that for me?
This is a case we're going to call here. We're going to take care of these two cases. You had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cases, 6 cases that are open. The 3 of them we just dismissed for no recollection. These other 2 we'll deal with here because they're under my, I'm the judge of record. That one I just gave you, the 0805876901 is a Judge Bryant case. So let's deal with SP 122-3204, counts 1 and counts 2. As for purposes of arraignment on the misdemeanor count 2, go ahead, counsel.
Your Honor, wait formal reading and stand mute.
Will enter not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. Do you have a valid license, Mr. Laster?
No. No, sir.
Right. He's Ms. Snyder, he's got a no ops ticket and a failure to stop. What's the offer going to be? Unless you want to set a trial date on those tickets, sir.
I'd rather get it over with.
Snyder.
Alexa Schneider for the people, P80322. I was on the phone with an inspector. I'm sorry. Can you repeat that, Your Honor?
All right. For some reason, all of these matters weren't scheduled for trial today. So he's got the 3 dismissals for the officer no recollection. He's got another case in Judge Bryan, an old 06 case that we're not going to deal with. He's going to have to talk to Judge Bryan about that. So now he's got a no ops and a failure to stop.
Did he say he has a license or?
No, he doesn't have a license. Why don't you have a license, sir?
I never, because I got 2 DUIs back in 2007, I think. And I never went back and got them.
Very well. So there it is.
It might be worth, because if 2007, is he eligible to get one set aside? Might be worth him trying to get a license.
Well, I don't think you can get one set aside because he's got two.
All
You
right.
can only have.
I'll do for him, I'll do an allowing and a blockading.
Allowing and blockading, this $240 and $175. Neither one of those are going to abstract to the Secretary of State. I'll dismiss the misdemeanor allowing upon payment. And we'll close out the blockading upon payment. So you'll come out here with no misdemeanor record and no abstraction. Just 240 and 175 lighter in your pockets. I'm gonna let you speak to Mr. Faulkner if you need to in the breakout room, all right?
Okay.
And then if he wants to take the deal, please read him his advice or rights, Mr. Faulkner.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, join the room, please. More in corporal proxy. Did you send Shiroki that up?
Yes.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. All right, we're gonna wait on a lawyer. All right, Miss Snyder, we have Officer Olson and Corporal Foxton here for long. Who's got the background noise?
I believe that is me, Your Honor. I'm sorry, I'm at work.
All right, I'm just gonna mute you, sir. I'll just mute you. Hold on a second.
Okay, not a problem.
On Mr. Long, Your Honor, they're all essentially the same ticket. I would let it go with just one FTD.
All right. Kenneth Oliver, why are you here? Is that Kenneth Lee Oliver?
Yes, Your Honor. You told me to pay my ticket and return the following
Are
week.
you junior?
Yes.
All right, let's go ahead with the City of Detroit versus Kenneth Lee Oliver Jr. Case number SP 143-64232. State your name for the record, sir.
Kenneth Oliver.
All right, today is the date and time set for a review in the matter. Mr. Oliver, I'm closing this matter out. I'm dismissing the case because you met your obligation. I did mention to you, I believe before, that you owe the court still $750 old tickets.
You said what now?
You owe the court still $750 on old tickets. They don't appear to be affecting your license if you have one, but this case is going to be dismissed because you paid it, all right?
Okay. Oh, I thought we were taking care of all of that. Last time I came, you told me if I do all my community service, I pay the tickets that I needed to pay, got my license back, that all of that will be gone.
Where's the community service? You did it?
Yes, sir. I did it with you set me up with him, Mr. Phillips, and I went down to Clark Park. I have paperwork with me to let you know that I have.
How many hours did you do?
Like 96 or more. You gave me 60 hours.
All right.
Give me 1 second. I have the paperwork right here.
No, hold on a second. Don't worry. I'm gonna get Mr. Phillips here. Let me get Mr. Phillips on here right quick and give him an opportunity to say something, right? All right,
Okay, no problem.
I'll put you on mute.
Rana, can you give me co-host if I haven't already?
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Laster. Mr. Laster, after giving you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room, counsel, what's your client want to do?
Take advantage of the offer, Your Honor.
That's what you want to do, Mr. Laster?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
You can put your hand down, sir. Sir, do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Faulkner went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, Your Honor.
I don't know why all of these weren't set for trial.
So that's Judge Brian, so I'll set that.
Not that 808,
Okay.
the other ones are me. All right, Mr. Faulkner went over your other advice or rights, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you understood those rights?
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know that by taking this deal, you're gonna give up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
And anybody argue anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
All right, let me draw your attention back to July the 10th, 2021 at around 11:10 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of House and Terrell Street, sir. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, Your Honor.
You operate a motor vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did an officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, Your Honor.
Couldn't do so, could you, sir?
No, sir.
And why is that?
They suspended.
All right, I'm gonna find your client guilty of the count unlicensed driver drive, $240 fine out dismissal upon payment. As it relates to the civil infraction, your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for that responsible plea.
Yes, Your Honor.
I find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. I will close that out upon payment. None of those will abstract to the Secretary of State, so it won't further affect your status right now, sir. So, but when can you pay this money?
I need about 2 weeks because my rent due this Friday.
I'll give you 30 days, sir.
Okay.
July 31st, 2023. Come back at 8:25. Make sure that's paid. It's paid. We'll close the matters out, dismiss the case. All right.
You say July, what date?
July 31st at 8:25 a.m.
One more question. How much is the total ticket?
240 plus 175.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
I have a great day, sir. Good luck to you.
All right, you too.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Devontae Griffin. Mr. Griffin, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Mr. Falker, what's your client want to do?
That's on Griffin?
Yes. Disorderly conduct, we're closing out the improper lane use.
Do you plead guilty, understanding that upon payment, the case would be dismissed?
All right, he's gonna have to make a factual basis on his own. I don't have a ticket, so.
Yes, sir.
Does he want to wait until trial to see if he has to do that or not, or does he want to take it? Deal now.
Mr. You want to take care of it now?
Yeah.
You don't want, you're gonna have to make your own factual basis, sir. I don't have any allegations in front of me. If they don't find the ticket to complain on the date of trial, we're gonna dismiss the ticket. But if they do, then the deal will be open on that date. What do you want to do?
Mr. Griffin, the judge is saying that if you plead not guilty today, on trial date, you have a better chance of having this case dismissed. You won't get any worse for you, but it could get better. My advice is to plead not guilty and get a bench trial date.
No.
Okay.
All right. Raise your right hand, please, sir. Do you swear or tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, put your hand down, sir. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 90 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
You understand, like Mr. Faulkner went over your other advice and rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Have any questions about those rights?
No.
No, when you take this deal, you're gonna give up those rights?
Yeah.
Anybody offer you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, let me draw your attention back to April the 17th, 2021 at around 8:05 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Canfield and Burns Street, sir. What were you out there doing?
I was walking down the street and I saw the basketball court and walked over there. Some words were exchanged. Long story short,
You in the basketball court had some words?
No, me and some people.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So you've left that part out. You just said you walked over to the basketball court and words were exchanged.
Yeah, sorry.
Okay. Did you know these people?
No.
What was going on for the words to be exchanged then? Were you guys had an intense basketball game going on?
I was mad about something already.
So you're mad about something that had nothing to do with these people at the basketball court?
Yeah.
And you go over there and you start a fight with them?
I didn't start a fight. They started a fight with me.
Say that again?
I didn't start a fight. They started a fight with me.
Well, why?
Because I mooned them.
Oh, God. You can't be serious.
I think he is.
I think he is too.
Ooh.
I mean, and why on earth did you do that?
I don't know. I don't even know what I was thinking that day.
Do you have some do you need some treatment, sir? Some kind of, you do?
Yes.
No, no.
All right, let's do this. That changes the game. We have a very good mental health court.
Excuse me, sir. This is,
Yeah.
I just wanted to
Yeah.
add something to it. At that
Okay,
time,
can you state your name for the record, please?
Victor Griffin.
Say that again.
My name is Victor Griffin.
Victor Griffin. All right, Mr. Griffin, good morning to you. Go ahead.
Devontae has mental illness. At the time, he was not being treated. Currently, he's been treated for the last 2 years, taking his meds, and he's functioning well in society. He's working, and he just like to get this behind him. He's not having any problems or issues with anything. He goes to work on time. You know.
Where do you work, Mr.
Dollar General.
Dollar General? Okay. Well, he indicated that did you want to seek some information on our mental health court?
Excuse me, sir. He's currently under the care of mental physician. I don't know if it's a psychiatrist or whatever, but he's currently under the care of that. He's been doing that for the last maybe 1.5 or 2 years.
And he's
Just had to go yesterday.
Okay, all right. And it's working well for you, Mr. Griffin? Devontae?
Yes, it is.
All right. Okay, all right. I guess you kind of understand. I see that you understand the errors of your ways, right?
Yes.
And I can appreciate the fact that you are forthright and admitting to your wrongdoing. And I do just couldn't help but offer you all the services that we have down here. But according to your dad and yourself, you are getting the treatment that you need, and that's good. No other issues since then? Working how often?
I work 5 days a week.
Full time, 8 hours a day?
Like probably about 5 to 7 hours a day.
And how long have you been working?
2 months.
All right, and it's going well, right?
Yes.
I can appreciate the shirt and tie as well too, sir. So what I will do is I will accept your plea. I think, are you satisfied with the factual basis, Counselor?
Counselor?
Yes, Your Honor, I am satisfied.
All right, I'm gonna find your client guilty of the as charged. I'm gonna fine him $240. We'll dismiss upon payment based on what you've represented and your father's represented, that you are seeking treatment. That's a one-time deal though, sir. We will dismiss this upon payment, and we'll close this chapter. And hopefully you stick with the treatment, because obviously it's doing you some good. You seem like you're getting set into working in a daily routine, which is great. And you're start making some money for yourself. And you indicated that you haven't had any other issues. So I'm going to close out SX 324511801. And we'll set a review date. And the review date is just set to make sure that this is paid off. When can you pay it, sir?
About a week.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
All right. I'm gonna give you until next Friday.
Okay.
Have it paid. Let's call it July the 7th, 2023. Jump in that morning at 8:25. If it's in the system, it's paid, we'll close the matter out and put it behind us. If it's not paid, then you gotta tell the court why you haven't paid it. So come back on July 7th, 8:25 a.m. It won't take long if you get here first and it's paid, we'll get you right out, all right? Tell your dad I appreciate, always appreciate the family support. And I wish you the best of luck in your continued treatment. And I wish you the best of luck on that job. Continue working, and I may see you in Dollar General one day, all right?
All right.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Have a blessed day.
Are you as well? All right, Dante Long.
Yes.
Let's see what we have. Let's go, before we do that, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gavin.
Your Honor, I never received the report, so I didn't bring him out, but I can bring him out. We're going to be requesting a trial date.
I'm in here.
Oh, okay, he came out. Sit up, Mr. Gavin.
Yeah,
She sent it to you.
It's Soroki at law, right?
Yeah, Saroki Law, Gmail.
All right, let me resend it.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gavin. I did issue a $500 personal bond.
Your Honor, I did. Let's say I did have the opportunity to speak with him and relay the offer, and my client is requesting a bench trial date.
All right, trial date is going to be on my wife's birthday, 9/18/2023. All right.
all right. Hopefully we're all in great spirit.
No, I don't know. After last night, I don't know. You know what I'm saying? But I won't let that affect my judgment here. It's just pretty disturbing, the allegation. I'll tell you that. And I would like to have let Ms. Soroki have seen that. But we'll see what happens on September 18th, 2023, 9 a.m. All right?
All right. Appreciate you.
Have a great day, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
All right. Dante Long.
Yes.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Dante Marquez Long, case number SP 111-04251, SP 1264824. Hold on one second. Counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1439682. counts 1 and counts 2. SP 145-1170-1. SP 143-96801. State of Michigan versus Dante Marquez Long, case number SX 3361923, counts 1 and counts 2, and SP, strike that, SX 3424238-1. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Sorokin on behalf of Dante Long.
Good morning, Judge Croxton, Detroit police officer.
Okay, I'm also going to call SP 111-04101 into the record. And why these tickets didn't make it on the docket, I don't know. All right, good morning, Croxton. And I tried to pull Officer Olson out of the room so he can put his appearance on the record. If you don't mind, Ms. Snyder, can you go get him? I'm having trouble pulling him out. All right, today is the date and time set for a trial. And the offer is going to be 1 count of failure to display.
What license?
Yes.
I had my license at the time. I think it was the one that he gave me no insurance and no license. I showed him my insurance and my license.
Here, let me stop you. Let me let you, Joey, tell this to put their appearance on the record for this. Is this your case, Ms. Sorokin?
Yes, Your Honor.
Let me let you tell that to Ms. Sorokin, all right? Join the breakout room. The offer is 1 count, failure to display. And he's talking about how he had his license at the time. All right, so let's let you decipher what he's saying.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I'm waiting on Mr. Phillips. Let's see what you have as far as Mr. Oliver. Let's see what you have as far as that sheet you were telling me about.
Okay. 1 second. I gotta run back into the building. I'm sorry. Are you ready, Your Honor?
Let's see what you have.
Okay. Turning the camera around.
You're gonna have to turn the background off.
Can you hear it?
You gotta turn the background off. I can't see it with the background on. Nothing's gonna come up with the background on.
All right. I'm trying to. Okay, cool. Can you see it now? That's one sheet. This is what I got from Mr. Phillips.
All right.
And then I have this from Cart Park. This is the first sheet.
Hold on a second. Where is it? Where did you go? Okay, here it is. Is that a separate sheet?
Yes, it's 2 separate sheets.
You got one from Mr. Phillips and one from Clark Park? I can't see that one.
Yes, this is from Clark Park, these 2. And this
And how many hours is on those 2?
Altogether, it says 89.5 total hours.
All right, what I'm gonna do is I'll get the information from him. I appreciate the work in getting those things taken care of. What we'll do is we'll close these other matters out. All right?
Okay.
So
Okay.
you don't
Thank you, Your Honor.
think. All right, if there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, all right? You do have a license too.
Yes, sir. Would you like to see that as well?
No, that's all right. Congratulations on getting the license.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
You too as well. Happy holidays to you guys.
You too. You too.
Thank you.
All right. Officer Olson, can you put your appearance on the record for the Dante Long?
Officer Kevin Allison, badge 4443 of the Detroit Police Department.
Very well. Good morning to you.
The only thing we can't use in this thing. Good morning, Your Honor.
Long, are you done with Long?
No, Your Honor, I'd like to speak with Ms. Schneider.
Put you in a breakout room. Join the room, please. Mr. Charles Lewis, is that Charles Anthony Lewis?
Which Lewis is it, Your Honor?
That's Charles Anthony Lewis. He's on mute.
Your Honor,
Yes.
could the court run a driving record on Mr. Long?
Yes, Dante Marquez Long.
And see if his license.
Are we talking, are you Dante Marquez Long?
No.
No, you're Charles Lewis. Run his license, please. Charles Lewis's offer is gonna be, open intox in a motor vehicle passenger. Mr. Faulkner, I'm gonna let you speak to Mr. Lewis. The officers they appear, they don't seem to be here now. Did you get their contact information, Ms. Schneider?
I have one and I can get the other from our paralegal.
All right, because if they want to contest it, we got to get back in here. Mr. Lewis and Mr. Faulkner, are you there?
Yes.
So Mr. Charles Anthony Lewis is set for trial. Both the officers appeared on time. He had an open alcohol in a motor vehicles, driver, insurance misdemeanor, 2 equipment violations, and a failure to stop, I guess, obey officer's command. I would think that would be.
It was a failure to signal.
What's the offer on it, Your Honor?
Very, of course, the offer is pleading to the 1 count, amended count of alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger.
Okay.
$200 fine is the same 2 points on his license as an open alcohol and motor vehicle driver, same $240 fine, same alcohol related offense on his license. Join the breakout room and speak to him about that. They're going to dismiss the other charges.
Okay,
Join the room, Mr. Lewis, please. All right, I have a driving record. Let's go back on the record. Well, we won't go back on the record yet. I do have a driving record. That's too bad. Affirmative action ruling. It appears that it should no longer be consideration for admission. Gone back another 50 years. All right, so his license is valid now. What is the question?
That was the question.
If it is, I would amend the offer to be one improper plate, dismiss everything else for Mr. Long.
There you go.
So I need to explain that to him, so I have to go back in the breakout room.
He's got two improper plates that were supposed to be set for today's date as well, but they weren't. $120 a piece.
I'd be fine with roping them in, Your Honor. He's corrected everything.
So you want to dismiss all that, just the improper plate then?
Yeah, just one improper plate and let him take everything else.
Thank you.
Go ahead, Mr. Okay, let's go back on the record with Mr. Dante Long. Mr. Long, giving you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, the people have relayed a recommendation. My client would plead to the amended count of improper plate. All other tickets would be dismissed. 2 tickets are also being added for dismissal, and he's waiving his rights, asking court to adopt that.
SP 11, strike that SP 1339031. Add that into the record. SP 1363481. We'll add that into the record. The plea is going to be amended count of improper plates. That's going to be a $240 fine. It does not abstract to the Secretary of State, therefore it doesn't carry any points. I'll dismiss that ticket upon payment. You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, sir.
I'll tell you this, you won't get a deal like this coming back in this court again, all right? If I have to see you again, Mr. Long, you understand that?
Yeah, Judge, I won't be back.
We'll see about that. Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense, 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
Yes.
Ms. Soroki went in the breakout room, went over some of your other advice or rights, did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, you'll be giving up those rights as well when you take this deal.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, let me draw your attention back to March the 7th, 2023 at around 2:28 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Connor and Canfield. Sir, did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
I can't hear you. Repeat it, please.
On March the 7th, 2023, around 2:28 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Connor and Canfield. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
On that date, were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Did that officer ask you to produce valid insurance for that vehicle?
Yes.
You could not do so, could you?
I had insurance on the vehicle. I have it. It was fully insured.
I don't know what to do with that, Ms. Soroki.
Perhaps the court could take the plea on there's actually an improper plea ticket that's being dismissed.
All right, let me draw his attention. Back to, way back to August the 5th, 2018, around 4:25 p.m. in the area of Lodge Freeway in Livernois. Do you recall that date and time operating a 2004 Nissan?
Yes.
On that date and time, you were operating that vehicle, correct?
Yes.
Did you have an occasion to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department then?
Yes.
Did that officer ask you to produce valid insurance?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No.
Why is that?
I didn't have it.
All right. I'm going to find your client guilty as charged to the improper plate. Fine him $240 and stipulate the proper clause will dismiss the other matters.
You're gonna go stipulated.
All right. When can you pay this $240, sir?
About 30 days, the end of the month.
No. You're not getting off that easy.
I'm off of work for 2 weeks, so I'm not able to pay it within the next 2
So
weeks.
you go borrow the money, come back in 2 weeks and pay it.
All
Find
right.
something, sir, because you're already getting a sweetheart deal now. Back on July 14th at 8:30, at 8:25, make sure it's paid by then. So we can close
Okay,
it out.
so 240 altogether?
Yeah, I'm gonna waive the warrant fee. You're gonna be paying reinstatement fees as well. Those are gonna be on, you can pay those by the end of the month or whenever you can pay them. But these are gonna be paid by, this one ticket's gonna be paid in 2 weeks.
Okay.
All right? If there's nothing
Okay.
further, have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Okay,
Judge. Always good.
Always good to see you, Corporal Croxton and Officer Olson. Very good to see you as well. Have a very good day. Best of luck to both of you. And be safe out there.
Thank you, Judge Samuel.
All right. Miss Lucas, what is she doing so late? It's 10:30. Serious. All right, let's call the case. This is the city of Detroit versus Charles Anthony Lewis, case number SB 1406206, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1407608, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Lewis, can you state your name for the record, please?
Charles Anthony Lewis.
Right, today is the date and time set for a trial in the matter. I did have Officer Kirkston and Officer Hudson here. Author was pleading to the amended count of open alcohol in the motor vehicle passenger, dismissing the other matters, $240 fine. What does your client want to do?
Wishes to accept the offer, Your Honor.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Lewis?
Yes. I had a question about it. Does it stay on your driver?
2 years.
You have any other questions, sir?
No.
Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Or you can put your hand down, sir. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Parker went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know you'll be giving up those rights once you take this deal?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to November the 25th, 2022 at around 8:01 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Chicago and Terry Street, sir. Do you have any case on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle on that day?
Yes.
You have some alcohol in that motor vehicle?
Yes.
What'd you have?
Passenger left open alcohol bottle on the side of my center console.
What type of alcohol was it?
I believe it was some vodka.
And was it, there was some left in the bottle, sir?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna find your client guilty of the amended count of open intox motor vehicle passenger. It stipulates the probable cause. I'll dismiss the other two matters.
So stipulate.
All right, $240, sir. When can you pay it?
Can I pay it in 2 weeks?
Yes. 7/14/2023. Pay it by then. We'll close it out.
Okay. Can it be that Friday?
That is Friday.
Oh, that is okay.
I paid at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. Told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it. Those are the two best ways I can send you to pay it. Those will go through immediately.
Okay.
If nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
All right. You too.
Thank you. This is the city of Detroit versus Kiana Lucas. Case numbers SP 1345680, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance on the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke, on behalf of Ms. Lucas.
Yes.
Can you
We
say your name?
can't see Mrs. Lucas. Officer Paul, can you put your appearance on the record, please? Good morning.
Africa, Kiana
Officer
Lucas.
Nicholas Hoff, badge 1789, Detroit Police Department.
Good morning. Good morning to you, Ms. Lucas.
Good morning.
Why are you late?
I'm late because I forgot all about this case. It been dragged out for a month, years. This happened last year. I just found the paper. I work nights. I was asleep.
Oh, so we interrupted your sleep, huh?
I didn't say that.
Offer's gonna be failure to dismiss the other two counts. I don't know if she has a valid license or not. $240 fine, and close it out upon payment. That's gonna be a misdemeanor on our record. It's gonna abstract to the Secretary of State, but it won't carry any points. I'm gonna put you in
You
the
said
breakout.
I'm gonna have a misdemeanor.
I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ms. Soroki, and she can discuss it with you, all right?
Oh, that's about to piss me off.
For what? Dude, who cares? Now I'm pissed off already. Does she have to come to court? Ms. Snyder, good morning, Mr. Johnson.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, good morning.
What about this Donde Griffin issue? What's going on with that?
I can start. So we were last up for formal hearing on the,
I was just frozen.
oh,
Why
sorry.
don't you go into the breakout room and talk to Ms. Snyder about it, Mr. Johnson?
Okay, sure.
Officer Rebecca? Good morning
Yes,
to
sir.
you.
Good morning, sir.
I don't see you on the docket today.
I'm here with the Donde Griffin case with Officer Hop.
Oh, okay. You want me to put you in a breakout? Oh, Officer Hop is here on Donde Griffin as well?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Same, Your Honor.
Okay, let me let does Miss Snyder know that?
Yes, I did inform her.
Okay, very well. Good morning to you, Officer Rebecca.
Good morning to you, Your Honor.
Hi. You ready on Miss Lucas?
I'd actually like to speak with Miss Snyder, Your Honor. I don't see her.
She's talking to Mr. Johnson. Let's go back on the record though with Miss Lucas. Miss Lucas, let me ask you a question.
Yes.
Why would anybody in here care if you're pissed off?
I never said that y'all cared. It's like you trying to start something with me because I don't want to answer those questions. It's obvious that I'm not going to answer them because I'm not about to argue anything.
Why would I try to start something with you?
I'm not answering that because that's dumb. I'm not about to answer that in court. It's irrelevant.
Okay. Now you're on the verge of me holding you in contempt.
Okay.
You got a pretty smart mouth.
Okay.
You pissed off. Who cares if you're pissed off?
Okay.
And I'm not going to accept any other offer from her. If it leads to the failure to display or take the deal or go to trial. Okay. Go back in the breakout room and read her advice or rights if she wants to take the deal. If not, we'll hold a trial.
He just don't want to do it because he think that I have an attitude.
Speak to your lawyer if you want to, Miss Lucas.
Detroit so ghetto. Fucking ghetto. Leave this thing entirely. This fucking stupid.
She said the choice of girl.
She's Florida.
She's gone.
She left.
Mhm.
You want to put a money bond on her?
I won't do that.
Well, it was all on the record.
No lights in the back. No, dark over there.
Oh,
I think she's back.
removed or did she remove herself?
No, she probably made it. She's back now, so. Join the room, please.
Trace, I don't know, but she would have been acting like that if she was, you know what I'm saying? Because she was over there. Out there in Southfield, out there with she would have been acting like that. How many people we have, Judge?
That's it.
Oh, that's it?
It's got Mr. Back?
Yes, Your Honor. She's going to accept the recommendation.
Very well. All right, let's go back on the record. Ms. Africa Lucas. Ms. Lucas, giving you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, your client wants to accept the recommendation?
Yes, Your Honor. She's waiving her rights.
All right, Ms. Lucas, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down, man. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Soroki went over your other advice and rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Have any questions about those rights?
Nope.
You know you'll be giving up those rights when you take this deal?
Yep.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
Nope.
All right, let me draw your attention back to April the 26th, 2022 at around 8:27 a.m. in the city of Detroit, the area of 8 Mile in Gratiot. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yep.
Were you operating a motor vehicle, ma'am?
Yep.
And did that officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yep.
Did not do so, could you, ma'am?
Nope, it was at home.
All right, very well. I'm gonna find your client guilty of the amended count of failure to display. Fine her $240. With stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss the other two matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
240, ma'am. When can you pay it?
Right now, I don't know, because I just almost lost my job in my life having a seizure. So I don't know, because I had to quit my job for my health.
Okay. So you gotta give me a date.
You could put the second week of August. Or push, yeah, second week of
August
August.
15th, 2023. Pay it by then, pay it at any DivDac kiosk in the city of Detroit, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it. Those are the two best ways I know to tell you how to pay it. Or you can, I'm told you can upload that DivDac app to your phone. If there's nothing further, ma'am, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Can you pay on the online?
You can pay it online.
All right.
All right. Have a good day, ma'am.
You too.
All right. All right, let's call the case. This is the city of Detroit versus Donde Griffin, case number SP 140-97511. Appearances for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alexis Schneider for the people, P 80322. Just for the record, the issuing officers are present.
Very well. You can put your appearances on the record, officer.
Police Officer Nicholas Haupt, badge 179, Detroit Police Department.
Officer Alec Rebecca, Detroit Police Department, badge number 4398.
Mr. Johnson, can you put your appearance on the record?
Man, please, Court Basil Johnson II, P72130 on behalf of Mr. Griffin.
All right, and about Mr. Griffin's presence?
I'd ask to waive his presence since it's a formal hearing date, Your Honor.
All right, actually, I have this down as I'll waive the presence. This is a civil infraction.
Right.
It's a hearing date, but we have all the parties here. What's gonna go on with this?
It should have been set for a pre-trial on June 15th.
Yeah, it is just set for a hearing. Go ahead. It's not a
okay,
formal.
yes. Yes, sir. So right before we signed on, I signed on, Miss Snyder sent me three, backing up, going back to March the 16th, we had a formal hearing date. Officer Haupt, this was a date that it was dismissed. Officer Haupt stated on the record that he had the in-car video. We were looking for the in-car video from before this accident. Officer Haupt had told us that he had it at that date. It was dismissed, reissued. We had a date on 2 weeks ago, June 15. That's why we set it for a pretrial so I can get the additional videos. Ms. Snyder sent a message, email to Troy Miller on June 15th as well. So today, right before I signed on, Ms. Snyder sent me 3 additional videos. 2 were by Officer Howe, is what I had already. It's like after, and then 1 was by Officer Rebecca, and it's like 47 seconds long. I can't tell if it's before or after the incident, the accident. So I'm just looking for the videos from before the accident, Judge. That's what I'm looking for. And I matched those videos up that Ms. Snyder sent me this morning to the one video I had before from Officer Howe. And they were, yes.
So I'm assuming that the city, the police department is giving you everything they have. I don't know what else to do, whether the stuff exists or not, or what. What, Ms. Snyder, you wanna put some input in on this?
Thank you, Your Honor. That's a correct recitation of the events, although for the record, the material was sent to Attorney Johnson prior to this morning, but he didn't open it. I believe there was some technology issues. So, I agree that he didn't review it before this morning, but it was sent to him, although that's outside the issue.
I have to respond, Judge. I told Ms. Snyder that I didn't have, other than the email to right after court from 2 weeks ago to Troy Miller, that was all the information I had. I printed out the email to save it.
All right, listen, I'm not concerned about whether you got it today or when you got it. That's not really pertinent here, right? Is you're asking, you're under, I don't know if you're under the impression or you're asking whether it's more to it than what they gave you.
Right,
That's
yes.
the issue.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
All right. What
I believe
I can't go ahead.
I believe we've turned over everything that we have. I believe we've turned over all that we have. I'm willing to go look again with the clarification for exactly what Attorney Johnson is looking for. I think there was some confusion before about exactly which videos. I'm willing to have Troy look again and see what we have, although I think he does have everything.
If we can also get some clarification, because regarding Officer Howe, because I'm pretty sure he told us that he had the video, it just wasn't sent over to me or the prosecutor. So if he can just send over the or just state again, because he told us back in March what he has. If we can hear that, that could help out a lot as well.
Officer Hall?
Yes, I can get in touch with Ms. Snyder after and see which video they sent him to make sure that is the correct one, at least that we have to our knowledge. But only video for Rebecca's dash cam video is leads up to just before the crash due to the crash causing severe damage to the police car. It doesn't have anything after, so I don't, like I said, I would need to see what they sent him to see if that's the correct video or not.
And that's just to respond, that's the video he's talking about, Your Honor, is the short one.
But I think he's looking for what happened before the accident, correct, Mr. Johnson?
Yes, Your Honor. Yep, that's right.
So does anybody have any video before the accident?
I believe that's the video he's referencing. Attorney Johnson has the 47-second one that from Officer Rebecca from inside the car. That is what he has.
Yes, that would be correct. That is 47 seconds before the camera shuts off.
So that's it in terms of all video before. It's the 47-second video.
As Attorney Johnson is aware, the cameras don't come on until the siren is playing. And as Officer Hope just stated, the crash was so severe that it damaged the car. We don't have any video beyond that.
I'm just asking about this case. I'm just getting my information so I can report back. That's all I'm trying to do.
Yes, that'd be correct. It's 47 seconds total in length, and it would lead up to the crash.
Johnson?
Yes, Your Honor, I'm looking at the written documentation here. Okay. Wasn't expecting to hear that. Judge, is it possible, like I said, there's another firm that's on this case as well, the injury law firm. Can I, since she sent me these videos here, especially the Rebecca one with 47 seconds, Officer Rebecca, can I have another pretrial date to relay the information over, and then we can reconvene how to proceed from there?
Well, why don't we just set it for a formal hearing date then?
Okay.
I just wanted to clarify, Your Honor, this is written as a civil infraction, right? Not a misdemeanor?
That's what it appears. That's what it appears. Failure to yield moving emergency vehicle.
That's what the ROA says too.
So that formal hearing date can be 9/18/2024.
I'm sorry, Your Honor, can you repeat that?
Formal hearing date, 9/18/2024. I mean, strike that, 9/18/2023. At 9 a.m. Is there an offer?
I think Attorney Johnson and I can discuss it over email. I'm sure he'll want to talk about the civil implications. I'll talk to the officers, but we'll discuss the matter before the next date.
All right. All right, there's nothing, no more to do with discovery issue though, right?
No, Your Honor, we would ask for reciprocal discovery of the videos that he has.
Is there any videos on your end, Mr. Johnson?
Just that the one she sent me in January 4 for Officer Hout, the one that was after for 8 minutes.
No, I guess does your client have any video?
Oh yeah, I can check with the law firm as well. Because right. So
I'll have a formal request sent over. I just wanted to put you on notice.
Just we talked about it previously before the March date, that there was a FOIA request that they paid money for, sent the check in to the law department. So I know that they were waiting on other FOIA videos. So as far as where they are standing, I'm not sure, but I can follow up.
All right. All right, if there's nothing further, then I guess that'll conclude it. A formal hearing, 9/18/2024, 2023, strike that, 2023, 9/18 at 9 a.m. Hopefully it's resolved before then.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I'll email you.